Okay, welcome guys back again to another video. So in this video we're going to talk about the hydrolysis of imines. So if you have watched our previous video about the formation of imines, basically the opposite occurs on here. Let's move on to the reaction. So basically this is what happens, right? So we are going to react this with H plus water, which we can obtain ketone, or like otherwise the carbonyl group, and amine. So this is a pretty small and pretty easy mechanism. You will definitely get this if you have know about the formation of imines, right? So I have done the formation of imines explanation video. If you have not watched it, I highly recommend you to watch it. I will put the link above in the right corner. So let's move right on to the mechanism. Here let's take our imine. So this is the imine, right? This is the imine. Now in the first step we are going to, let's say we have H3O plus. Okay, so here we have lone pair. This lone pair will be attached to our one of the hydrogens in this H3O plus, which resulting in the breaking of this particular bond. We will get this kind of structure. Now here we have hydrogen and R, here we have plus, and we have H2O. I hope you know what this cation called as. This is iminium ion. Okay, now here we have our H2O. This oxygen will go and attack to this place, this carbonyl center. No, this is not a carbonyl center, this carbon, right? So due to this attack, this bond will be broken back into the nitrogen, which gives it a lone pair. Okay, now here we have a lone pair, an R group and hydrogen. Also we have oxygen, hydrogen, and we have other normal methyl groups. These are methyl groups, right? You know about that, right? This is CH3. I hope you know that. So these are methyl groups. Right, okay, this is our structure now. There's a positive charge on here. Okay, now what happens is, here you can see a lone pair. This lone pair will go and attack to this particular hydrogen, which result in the breaking of this particular bond, and oxygen will take these lone pairs to neutralize its positive charge. Now here we have our molecule as nitrogen, two hydrogens now. Okay, now there's a R group, and here two methyl groups, and we have oxygen, two lone pairs, and hydrogen. Okay, now in the next step, this one of the lone pairs will go back into this carbon to form a pi bond, resulting in the breaking of this whole group. Now we have our two molecules, right? Here we have RNH2, which is the amine, and here with our carbonyl center OH. There's a positive charge on oxygen. There is many like H2O molecules all around the environment. So what happens is, this one of those oxygen will go and attack to this particular hydrogen to break this bond to form the lone pair on oxygen, and oxygen will neutralize its positive charge, with resulting our final product, the carbonyl center. So we have our final products, which is this and this. So this is basically the hydrolysis of imines, right? So this is a pretty easy mechanism. There is not too much. I hope that there are little bit things to understand, especially when it comes to the stabilities, right? All these mechanism based on the stabilities. I hope you got it, right? So if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So this is the hydrolysis of imines. I hope you got something from this video. Thank you.